What's up, everybody? We're here in beautiful Seaford, Virginia. We're going to take a little clip back to about 10 years ago where me and some buddies went out and did some tow surfing in Outer Banks, kind of in preparation for surfing bigger waves, but we were surfing the outer sandbars, which you can't really get to paddling, not when the rip current is kicking during a hurricane. So we took a jet ski out there and towed in some waves and got some pretty cool footage. Check this out. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and check out some more of our videos. Later.